So I showed you a video of the LEDs in the grill before. This is the Silverado, and the ghost shadow projector light. But I added a little something different. Cost me about 20 bucks. Got this little remote now. I could change the brightness to it if I wanted to. To 100%, 50%, 25. Oh, that's 100. Sorry, 150, 25. Which is not the. I mean, that part kind of sucks, but it's a wireless remote. It's pretty far away. It's got 8 dynamic modes, which is the coolest part. So I'll run through the modes here as the remote. Works pretty far away. Go start from the beginning again. Alright, mode 1. Speed it up. Speed it up even more. Slow it down. Mode 2. Like that. Slow it down. No, it's illegal to have them running and doing any sort of strobing or flashing where I'm from. But, this one just turns on and off, I guess. Also, notice the remote also lights up blue when you point it. Like that one. I don't know, this is my favorite. No, this one's my favorite, I think. No. Oh, you could barely even see what it's doing. There's one. That's the one I like. I wish I can get it to scan side to side. But, so, that's that. This is my ghost shadow projector. I'll show you the LED controller. Pop the hood. LED controller's right there. Grab my phone. Oh shit, I don't have a light on here anymore. I used to have a light on here. But there's just cleanly soldered it in and then just placed it right there so you could, the receiver will get it. So it's right above the headlight. So it's one of the better spots for clearance. We'll grab the remote. Going with the hood up. Speed it up. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I don't know how much I can show you of this, but I think it looks awesome. I picked up these two things on Amazon. I paid $11 after I had an $8 credit, so total was like 18, probably about 20 bucks total. And I got this right here too. It's not wired up the best. I gotta fix that. But voltmeter, so I know nothing's gonna die on me. If I'm ever playing like PS2, and I need to see how many volts I have. But I gotta fix the switch. But so now I have these two little remotes right here. The other one's for the monitor down there. So these are both the cheap Amazon remotes. This is LCD. This one's RF wireless. So I mean this one's pretty both wireless, but this one you don't have to. This one you have to point at that. This one you don't have to point at the receiver to get it to light up. It was definitely unique. I don't mess with any of those kits. I hate the kits. I just buy the LEDs, you buy the controller, you get on your way, you know. But that's first mode, second mode. It fades in and out, dies down slowly. This one is like a heart attack. Just flashes on and off. I just like this one, the classic fade. See what it looks like with the headlights on. I didn't even look at that yet.